It hasn't been so long since the release of DJI's mid-tier drone, Mavic Air 2, and they already have come up with a notable upgrade. DJI's recent new models have faded the familiar Mavic branding in favor of a shorter naming scheme, which they did with their DJI Mini 2 from DJI Mavic Mini. Following the lead, they have launched the new Air 2s with some new features and upgrades. But how much worthy can this upgrade be? In this video, we will talk about all the latest features and improvements DJI brought with their Air 2s. So without further ado, let's get started. DJI Air 2s will undoubtedly be hugely popular among its consumers due to its 1-inch complementary metal oxide semiconductor camera sensor. This was previously exclusive to DJI models costing over $1,500. Emphasizing resolution and size, the Mavic Air 2 used smaller camera sensors for 8K hyperlapse modes, whereas the Air 2's focuses more on image quality with its larger 20-megapixel sensor. This camera sensor easily outperforms the one from Mavic Air 2. The DJI Air 2s allows you to record videos at 4K 60fps and max 5.4K 30fps. On the other hand, even in DJI's expensive Mavic 2 Pro, you can shoot videos only at 4K 30fps. This indeed seems a significant upgrade for people who like higher resolution videos. The per bitrate of videos shooted from the Air 2's camera is 150 megabits per second, which is a lot more than Mavic Air 2 and Mavic 2 Pro. Equipped with APAS 4.0 and 4-way obstacle avoidance detection, the Air 2s has an excellent autopilot system that automatically avoids and will fly around obstacles it encounters. The aircraft also comes with an auxiliary light on the bottom to aid in takeoff and landing during low light situations. The Air 2s can shoot videos up to 10-bit D-Log and 10-bit HLG capture, but the Mavic Air 2 can only capture videos till the standard 8-bit color profile. This helps to get more static videos, and professionals who are serious about their videos are going to like it for sure. The remote that powers the Mavic Air 2 and Mini 2 is quite handy and feels very comfortable in hand. That is why DJI has chosen to provide the same remote for the Air 2s. It comes with everything you need to operate, including a gimbal wheel plus buttons to start and stop taking photos and videos instantly. Moreover, it's easy to switch between Cine, Normal, and Sport modes while you can still access the Home feature. The camera drone has OcuSync 3.0 transmission technology so that you can fly at a distance of up to 12 kilometers when free of obstacles or interference. The maximum flight time clocks in at 31 minutes in ideal conditions, so once you start flying, you don't have to worry about the battery dying too often. Getting such a camera drone with such powerful sensors and capabilities indeed make Air 2s one of the best in its class. You can have smooth and steady images and videos with full efficiency and stabilization, so undoubtedly, the DJI Air 2s shall be an upgrade worthy enough. That was all about the latest release of DJI, the Air 2s, which offers excellent performance and features. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.